If I was a beginner in real estate, I would invest in a high-rise residential apartment. Two reasons. First, the ROI or the return on investment is slightly higher than any other investment, and second, it is very easy to liquidate such apartments. So if you need quick cash, you can sell this apartment in less than a month. For most people who are planning to invest in the real estate industry, I know most of you are targeting to buy land in Kamulu, Joska, or a 3-bedroom apartment in Kitengela or other localities. But if you were to collect rent from that development, it is considerably low compared to what you can get here. This is a 2-bedroom apartment in Kilimani with a print area starting from 94 square meters and at a cost of 10.3 million Kenya shillings. If you were to collect rent from this unit, it would give you upwards of 80,000 Kenya shillings. A 3-bedroom in Kitengela or in Ruiru will give you 50,000 or less. This development is 100 meters from Ngong Road and exactly 500 meters from Yaya Center, and it doesn't come with 2-bedroom apartments only. It also comes with 1-bedroom apartments with a print area starting from 65 square meters and the prices starting from 7.15 million Kenya shillings. A sample of that or a show house will be seen later in the video. We also have 3-bedroom apartments starting from 14.8 million Kenya shillings, and they have a print area of 135 square meters going upwards. In this video, we will show you this 2-bedroom apartment and the 1-bedroom apartment. If you want to see the 3-bedroom apartment, make sure you check our Instagram or our TikTok, African Real Estate, and we start from the main entrance. The units come with this massive, strong metallic door, and at the entrance you have a utility section where you should keep your coats and some compartment for the shoes. On my opposite side you have the kitchen, and at the entrance of it you have a console table. The kitchen has been done very well. It is not the biggest, though it comes with all the sections that you may want. You have a cooking area at the center, which comes with all these appliances standard. Behind me, you have the washing area where you have a small sink. The upper and lower cabinetry have been done very well. On this side is where you are supposed to do your mini refrigerator, and you have numerous number of sockets to make sure that all your kitchen appliances have been plugged in. From the kitchenette, you have a small dining area which is big enough to fit a 4-seater like this one. And for the few people who like bigger dining spaces, I suggest you take the 3-bedroom because it has more space. Behind me, you have the living room done excellently well. I'm loving it that it is coming with this seat. It is a unique seat, but it's very, very comfortable. If you compare this to a hammock, this is just miles ahead. Behind me, you have another space which should be used for your sitting section, and it is opening to the biggest balcony that we have seen in a 2-bedroom recently. The balcony is giving you very nice views, and it is also attracting a very fresh breeze. This is the TV area, and it is big enough to fit your 65-inch TV. These modifications comes standard, but if you don't like it, it can be removed before you move in. Behind me, you have the primary bedroom of this 2-bedroom apartment, and on my far front, you have the 1st bedroom. If you would want to see the shorter version of these videos, make sure you check out our Instagram or our TikTok, and the pictures will be found in our website, africanrealestate.com. On this wing, you have the laundry area, and it is big enough to fit a washer and dryer like this one. A heat pump comes standard, and next to it you have the common washroom which doubles as a bathroom to the 1st bedroom. Behind me, you have the vanity of this bedroom. Next to it, you have a WC and a shower cubicle is on the far end. You are also getting a double towel holder. The first bedroom is of a standard size. It has been done very well. From there you can see it would easily fit a 5x6 bed like this one, and you'll still have some spaces for the side drawers. The window is big enough for a good amount of natural light. The gypsum ceilings have been done very well, and the center light and the side lights are combining to give you a nice environment for you to sleep in. This kind of closets are standard in this development, and as you can see from there, they are floor to ceiling and partitioned very well. If you have some kids, this is an ample space because they can sleep on that wing and you'll sleep on this other wing. For the people who are in diaspora and they would want us to help with the pre-purchase inspection for such units, make sure you call us in the number attached in the first comment. At the entrance of the primary bedroom, you have the primary closet, and it runs from that edge all the way to this other edge. The primary sleeping space is big enough to fit a king size or a queen size bed. Side drawers are standard. You are also getting this standard, and the side lights. The window is slightly bigger for enough natural light, and the bathroom is on this other side. Just come and see it. This bathroom has been oriented differently, and as I mentioned, it is slightly bigger with a bigger vanity. The WC is at the center, and it comes with a bidet sprayer, and behind me you have a shower cubicle which comes with a double towel holder. This compartment is always heavenly. I'm loving it. If you want to see the one-bedroom apartments, make sure you come with me. I'm taking you there. And for the people who want to purchase this unit, you can remain here as you are watching this video. And after that, make sure you call us. And now we are in the one-bedroom unit. It has been done very well. You get the same set of a door which comes with a password access, a fingerprint access, a face access, and a key access. Next to the door, you have your shoes area. You can do some shoes over here when you are coming from outside, or you can hang your coats in the next compartment. On the other side, we have the kitchen of this unit, done exceptionally well. You have the cooking area which comes with an oven, a hob, and a heat extractor. These ones are standard in every unit. On this other side, you have your washing area, and opposite that, you have a small island which can act as a small breakfast table. You have a small hallway that is taking you to the washroom and the bedroom, and this is the living area. When I think about it, I see it as a business, because this one could be a very, very good guest room, or if you like doing the B&B business, or if you have a hotel, this would be perfect for you. I like it that it would fit a 6-seater couch like this one. You have somewhere where you can enjoy your meals, and this is the TV section, or where you should do your electronics. Done very well. I'm loving this, and it is coming standard in each unit. You are getting very nice lighting, and I like it that this unit comes with a balcony on this other side. The views from here are breathtaking, and from here you will get an extensive view of Kilimani and part of Kileleshwa. As I mentioned, this unit has a plinth area of 65 square meters, and the prices are starting from 7.15 million, and we are exactly 100 meters from Ngong Road. We will see the bedroom. At the entrance of the bedroom, you have a small laundry area. This space will be enough for your washer and dryer, and behind me you have the only bathroom that you get in this unit. It comes with a small vanity, a WC at the center, and a shower cubicle. Here is the only bedroom that you get in this unit, big enough to fit a king-size bed like this one. You have some spaces for the side drawers. This one comes standard with the unit. You are also getting very good lighting, a big window for maximum natural light, and the closet compartments have been done very well. This is my favorite place in this one bedroom, and I'm loving the rest seat because it's just perfect for me. If you would want to purchase this unit, make sure you call us in the number attached in the first comment, and I will be waiting for you as I'm watching on this hourglass. Interesting.